Good morning, Expiration Friday. Finally, here we are. It's Friday morning. Market's about to open. We're taking a look at the SPOOs again. Back down. We made a new low overnight. A lot of rumors out there about Lehman and Merrill again going down. A few of the banks are writing down some of the financial portions of GM and Ford, saying that they're going to need to take another billion and a half in losses. So that is going to be leaning on the market also this morning. I do believe that we are going to be putting in some type of bottom, whether it's at 1330 or 1300 or 1280. That piece of it I haven't determined, but I am starting to leg in probably a 50% position on OEX and some financial names that I still feel strongly about. A couple of those names, for example, Wells Fargo, Citigroup. I am buying some calls and some selected financials currently, as I do think we are going to bounce out of these doldrums. You can see the SPOOs traded down to the S1 here at around 1330.75, and now they're back up pushing 1334 again. Again, we'll see where we go today. I really don't have a feel. Right now, there's no momentum to the upside. I don't see a lot of people coming in wanting to buy this market for the weekend, so it makes it the tough trade to put on a long position. But again, I'm probably 50% size on the position, and looking to add to it, anticipating it could go down to 1300, 1280. So again, that's why I'm using calls on this. I don't want to load myself with stock right now. I don't feel that entirely strong. It's more of a gut call. Everybody is so bearish right now that I'm taking a position on that side of it. Futures have been difficult to trade this week. It's been very choppy, extremely choppy, just all over the place. You really have to just see that range after the first hour or so and then kind of play within that range the rest of the days. How the last 3 or 4 days have gone. Now, it is expiration, so that will have some effect on the price movement. But play smaller during these choppy times like this, and make your profits where you can, and take it easy. Oil is back up, trading as high as 136.87. 136.77, excuse me. It's 135.70 right now as we speak, so it's still up $3. You've got that right back up. Again, until we break 130, I wouldn't get so bearish on oil. I'm not going to make that prediction. Yes, it's overblown price-wise, but can it go higher? Absolutely. Until that chart shows me a closing below 130, I'm not too excited about the crude at this point. Retail's continuing to hang in there. I look at the RTH quite a bit, and it's still. I wanted to bring that up today. That RTH is still trading at around 95. It hasn't really gone anywhere for the past 3 months. Pretty much like a lot of the market hasn't gone anywhere. 10 years 41.37. The bell is ringing. Again, not a lot of. I don't have anticipation. We are below the pivot, so the pivot's telling you right now you need to be short. 1340 is your pivot. Get above that 1343 or so, you can buy it again. Otherwise, you've got to continue to sell rallies. I know it's getting old, but it is what it is, and the market's trading that way. Dollar was down. Looks like 73.40 or so right now coming into the open. The housing index is up this morning. That's interesting. Right off the open. I know. I think Beezer was trading up after hours. I didn't even see the news. Not names individually I've been involved with of late. That's about it. So again, we're going to wait for. We usually wait for this first half hour to play out, especially on an expiration day. See what happens. See how they shake them one way, shake the bushes one way or another. And again, buying some calls on the OEX and a few select financial names. I just feel so overwhelmingly bearish. Maybe we get that one last piece of bad news that pushes us over the edge, and that'll be your capitulation, and that would probably be the item that I would also buy the other 50%. Other than that, I'm going to hang on to what I have and see if we can't get them up in the next couple weeks.